second class maths. Okay, ma. All of you take your textbooks. This is your textbook, second standard 2, course book, term 2. And take out the page number 49, amma. children. C. B. Multiplication with one digit number. Okay, this is the section B, multiplication with one digit number. See, Amma, do these. Do this. Okay. First one, children. 44 into 2 is equal to how much? They given 88. Okay. See, Amma, ela vachinadi. First number 2 4s are 8. Next 2 4s are 8. Okay. ఈ విధంగా మీరు షార్ట్ కట్ లో మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఎలా చేయాలో నేర్చుకోవాలి. 2 4s are 8 and in tens place లో కూడా మనము 10 ప్లేస్ ని కూడా మనం ఈ 2 తోని multiply చేయాలి. 2 4s are 8. The answer is 88. Okay. Next, second one. 11 into 7. Third one. 41 into 2. 11 into 8. 31 into 3. 12 into 4. 32 into 3. 42 into 2. 24 into 2. 13 into 3. Okay. Next. 11th one. 22 into 2. 33 into 3. 23 into 3. 14 into 2. 21 into 3. 11 into 3. 10 into 6. 11 into 7. So 11 into 6. 13 into 2. 10 into 4. Okay. These are the questions, children. You have to multiply the numbers with shortcut method. See, Amma, how to multiply means 7 ones are 7. Okay. Next, again 7 ones are 7. Okay. These 7 you have to multiply with ones. Okay. Ones place lo unna number toni 7 ni ones place lo unna number toni multiply cheyali. Next, ఈ 7 ని tens place లో ఉన్న నంబర్ తో కూడా మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేయాలి. ఓకే. సేమ్ 2 1s are 2. నెక్స్ట్ 2 4s are 8. ఓకే. అగైన్ 8 1s are 8. 8 1s are 8. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. 4 2s are 8. 4 1s are 4. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Okay, all of you understanding? See, 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Next, 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Okay, next here 3 3s are 9. Again 3 1s are 3. Okay, this is the shortcut method, children. See here. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. Again 3 3s are 9. Okay. Next. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. Okay. Here 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. 6 0s are 0. 6 1s are 6. 6 1s are 6. 6 1s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. 4 0s are 0. 4 1s are 4. Okay. These are the answers. See children. 44 2s are 88. 11 7s are 77. 41 2s are 82. 11 8s are 88. 31 3s are 93. 12 4s are 48. 32 3s are 96. 42 2s are 84. 24 2s are 48. 13 3s are 39. 22 2s are 44. 33 3s are 99. 23 3s are 69. 14 2s are 28. 21 3s are 63. 11 3s are 33. 10 6s are 60. 11 6s are 66. 13 2s are 26. 10 4s are 40. Okay, write down the answers, Amma. Okay, Amma, completed answers. Next one, children. Next, turn the page, Amma, page number 50. Page number 50, Amma. First question. Okay. What is the first question, Amma? The cost of one pencil is rupees 2. What is the cost of 12 pencils? Okay. One pencil cost entama 2 rupees. Okay. 12 pencils cost ento ikkada find out cheyamannaru. Okay. Write the solution, children. The cost of one pencil is equal to rupees 2. Okay. The cost of 12 pencils. 12 pencils is equal to ఎలా రాయాలమ్మా 2. 12 into 2. Okay. Here write down. See amma 2 2s are 4. Again 2 1s are 2. Okay. This is the answer. Okay. The cost of 12 pencils is equal to 24. First one answer. Next, second solution. There are, second question amma, there are 3 trees in each row. How many trees are there in 30 rows? Okay. Trees in each row. ఓకే ఒక్క రోలో ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయమ్మా ట్రీస్ రో అంటే ఏంటమ్మా ఓకే ఇలా ఉండేదాన్ని రో అంటారు ఇలా ఉండేదాన్ని రో అంటారు 1 రోలో ఎన్ని ట్రీస్ ఉన్నాయి 30 ట్రీస్ ఉన్నాయమ్మా ఓకే ఇలా ట్రీస్ ఇవన్నీ ట్రీస్ అమ్మా 1 రోలో 30 ట్రీస్ అవుతాయి ఈ 3 రోస్ లో ఓకే ఫస్ట్ సెకండ్ థర్డ్ ఈ 3 రోస్ లో ఎన్ని ట్రీస్ ఉన్నాయి మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి ట్రీస్ ఇన్ ఈచ్ రో ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 3. Trees in 30 rows is equal to 30 into 3. Okay. See amma. Now multiplication. 3 zeros are 0. 3 3s are 9. How many trees are there, children? Trees in 30 rows is equal to 90. Okay. Write down the solutions. Okay, ma, completed. third solution amma. Third question. Third question, children. See, if each page has 4 pictures, okay, one page lo pictures, okay, 4 pictures unnayantama. How many pictures are there in 11 pages? 11 pages lo any pictures unnaya manam find out cheyali. Okay, write on third solution. Each page has pictures. How many pictures are there, children? 4. Okay. Pictures are there in 11 pages. Okay, ఒకవేళ 11 pages లో ఎన్ని pictures ఉంటాయమ్మా? 11 into 4. Okay, do multiplication, children. See, 4 ones are 4. Again, 4 ones are 4. Okay, 11 pages లో ఎన్ని pictures ఉంటాయి? 44 pictures ఉంటాయి. Okay, 1 page లో 4 pictures ఉంటే 11 page లో 44 pictures ఉంటాయి. Okay, this is the answer. Pictures are there in 11 pages is equal to 44. Okay, next, fourth solution. See, 2 persons can sit in each seat. Okay, one seat lo 2 persons కూర్చోగలుగుతారంటమ్మా. Then how many persons can sit in 31 seats? Okay, 1 seat లో 2 members కూర్చుంటారు. అలాగైతే 31 seats లో ఎంత మంది కూర్చుంటారో మనం చూడాలి. See, persons can sit in each seat. ఎంత మందమ్మా? 2 members. Okay, now persons can sit in 31 seats. 31 seats లో ఎంత మంది? 31 into 2. Okay, now do the multiplication. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Okay, 62 members. Okay, 62 persons 31 seats లో కూర్చుంటారు. ఓకే, పర్సన్ క్యాన్ సిట్ ఇన్ 31 seats is equal to 62. ఓకే, 62 persons 31 seats లో కూర్చుంటారు. ఓకే, రైట్ డౌన్ ద ఆన్సర్స్. Okay, ma, completed. Next, fifth solution, children. Fifth one. Fifth solution. See, ma. There are 4 students on each bench. How many students are there on 22 benches? Okay. One bench ki 4 students unte 22 benches ki ఎంత మంది స్టూడెంట్స్ అవుతారో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే. Write down, ma. Students on each bench is equal to 4. Okay. Students are there on 22 benches is equal to ఎలా రాయడమా 22 into 4. Okay. Now write down, children. 4 2s are 8. Again 4 2s are 8. Okay. This is the answer. Students are there on 22 benches. 22 benches ki ఎంత మంది స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉన్నారమ్మా 88 స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉన్నారు. Okay. Next, this is the fifth solution. Next, sixth solution. See, children, there are 11 fruits in each basket. 11 fruits ఉన్నాయి. How many fruits are there in 9 baskets? ఒక basket లో 11 fruits ఉంటే 9 baskets లో ఎన్ని fruits ఉన్నాయో find out చేయాలి. Okay. Write down the answer. Fruits in each basket is equal to how many 11. Fruits are there in 9 baskets. In 9 baskets is equal to 11 into 9. Okay. See, multiplication. 9 ones are 9. 9 ones are 9. How many are there, children? 99 fruits are there. Fruits are there in 9 baskets is equal to 99. Okay. Write down the answers. Okay, ma. Next one, children. Next, seventh one. Seventh one. See, the price of one fruit is ₹10. So, what is the price of 8 fruits? Okay, one fruit cost entama 10 rupees. Okay, alage 8 fruits cost enta manam telusukovali, find out cheyali. Okay, the price of one fruit is equal to ₹10. Okay, next, the price of 8 fruits is equal to 8 into 10. Okay, now do the multiplication. 0 8 0, 1 8 8. Okay, do like this amma. 10 into 8. Okay, మీకు ఇలా వచ్చు కాబట్టి 8 zeros are 0, 8 zeros are 0, 8 ones are 8. This is the answer. Okay, the price of 8 fruits is equal to 80. Next, see amma, each house has 10 doors. If so, how many doors are there for 5 houses? Okay, one house ki 10 doors unte, alage 10 doors unnayi, alage 5 houses ki enni doors unnayo cheppali. Okay, each house has doors. Enni doors unnayama each house ki? 8. Okay, each house, one house ki 8 doors unte. Okay, next, doors for 5 houses. 5 houses ki enni doors untayamma? 5 into 8. Okay, 8 5 ja 40. This is the answer. Okay, doors for 5 houses is equal to 40. Sorry, each house has 10 doors. 10 doors. Here also 10. Okay ma, see, 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5. ఓకే, ప్రతి ఒక్క హౌస్ కి ఎన్ని డోర్స్ ఉన్నాయమ్మా? 10 డోర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. అలాగే 5 హౌసెస్ కి ఎన్ని డోర్స్ ఉంటాయి? 10 into 5. 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5. ఓకే, డోర్స్ ఫర్ 5 houses is equal to 50. ఓకే, 5 houses కి ఎన్ని డోర్స్ ఉన్నాయమ్మా? 50 డోర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే, రైట్ డౌన్ అమ్మా. Okay, children, completed, Amma. See, Amma, you have to practice these problems, children. Multiplication problems, all this, sir. Okay, Amma, this is your today's maths class. I hope that you understand today's class. Thank you, children.